Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to crop a layer in Photopea software. So get it started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see, firstly open the picture. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now select from picture. Now click for open. That it's. Now you can see, then we show the open the two picture in Photopea software. Now we can see crop the layer, then you can see. Now select from, now going to the tool menu option, then we show the mini tool. Now click from more crop tool option. Now you can see, now select from mouse right button, then click from crop tool option. Now crop from any layer. Now click for enter. That it's. Now we can see crop layer in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.